Hi, I'm Julie Kratz. I'm a DEI trainer and speaker focused on workplace inclusion. One of the key things that we have heard through the journey of the 7 years when we've been doing DEI work is, how do I create a culture of purpose? Right? How do I help people find meaning in their day-to-day activities, even if they might not seem exciting at the time? Well, at Next Pivot Point, we've developed a workshop and a toolkit to meet leaders where they're at and to help all employees understand their role in building and maintaining a culture around purpose. First and foremost, why does purpose matter? Purpose matters in our work because people want to see themselves reflected in the work they do. They want to feel like the thing that they do, the email they send, the report they create, has a genuine, lasting impact and creates an experience for someone else or a difference positively in someone else's life or in the universe. How do we map that to our day-to-day activities? How do we understand people as people? We are not widgets. Gone are the days of work and life being on and off. We are living our whole lives in our workplace as things increasingly stay hybrid and probably will be into the long-term future. How do we integrate the spheres of our life and understand people as human beings? How do I connect with someone on a human level? What are the right questions to ask? What are the right things to say? What are some watch outs of what not to say as I get to know people that are different than me? And then last but not least, I'd encourage you to think about the whole employee experience. Right? We know there's 6 main stages as an employee moves from being recruited to separation, everywhere in between. How do we build a culture that supports inclusion at each one of those phases by our individual actions and collectively address systems that might inadvertently keep certain people up and certain people down? There is more information at nextpivotpoint.com. There you can unpack Build a Culture of Purpose, explore the tools, and learn more.